good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I have something special. So first pickup of the year, had to go hard on this one, and you don't come across any of these in dead stock condition really ever. So spent quite a bit of money. I wasn't gonna do it without my guy 234 Life Collection, Mike. Thank you so much. I recruited him to be involved as a middleman to be able to acquire these. So the seller, I was tagged on in Facebook. His username is KickRevive. You can also see his Instagram page here. And so what happened was that, a couple people were tagging me in a Facebook group, and there was a picture of these. And so dead stock condition, cracking, of course, because it's from the 1980s. I'm just gonna open it up so you guys can check it out. But man, I gotta be extremely careful with these, because what Mike did for me, great friend. You guys need to follow him. So Kick Revive is actually in Missouri, Kansas City, and Mike 234 Life is also in Missouri. And so there was no way I was going to be able to deal with this transaction, without having to recruit him to be a middleman for this. So appreciate you, Mike, for being the middleman and following through. Ended up doing the deal, and totally happy. So first time seeing these in the flesh. We'll check this out. So Mike packed them really well. Bubble wrap, saran wrap over the shoes. Boy, oh boy. Okay, so this is the right shoe first. Can you guys see through the plastic? Oh man, I hope these don't fall apart on me. This is what you gotta do if you want to be a collector, right? Especially a collector of originals and Air Jordans. Ooh, so here we go. End of the bubble wrap and the start of the saran wrap. You can see how Mike labeled it, start here. So once I do it, there's no turning back. So we'll break open a little bit of the wrap, and then we'll continue our way around. So far so good. Packaged really nicely. Went with overnight shipping with USPS. Cost about 120 bucks. But the anticipation is killing me just to get to see one shoe and see how good of a condition these were, or these are, since they are here. Ooh, okay. Whenever you deal with midsoles that are cracking, make sure to keep your hand underneath the shoe to make sure that the upper does not fall on you. And we're almost there. Just want to be extremely careful. So far so good. Ooh, there you go, guys. Look at that. This is the original Air Jordan 4 Fire Red from 1989. Dead stock condition. Cracking on the midsole, obviously due to age, but look at those uppers. No cracking whatsoever. Man, Man, that's so nice. You can even see the oxidation a little bit on the eyelets. Just a little bit of cloudiness. Wings logos. I mean, the ankle straps, great condition. Back tab, great condition. Even comes with the original hang tag. As you can see, so nice. Checking that out. This is not falling apart, which is a good sign. You can see back side of the tag there. Tongue, upside down Air Jordan. And check out the tag. You can see there. Hopefully. Let's zoom in. That is the original inside tag right there. This is a size 10.5. Man, great shoe. So this is just the right shoe. Checking out the sole there. Man, it still smells new too. Okay, I gotta see the other shoe now. Left shoe up. Man, such a nice shoe. Like I said, again, I think it's, even though it's like heavily cracked, I'm still really not going to take any chances. I'm still trying to be, fragile with it. But even though it's, the midsole is completely cracked, surprisingly, it's still easy to handle. But, I still like to be careful. I think eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it through the sealer. And put it in a wrap instead of this plastic wrap here. And then I'll try to do my best at how I did with my 95.2s. And just, keep the upper exposed. And then just cut along the midsole so I can keep the midsole intact. But that's my plan. That's my plan. So, if you guys have never owned an original Air Jordan, if you collect Air Jordans, why don't you have any originals in your collection? You know what I mean? It's kind of like with me and cards, I had to get a Michael Jordan rookie card in order for myself to be called a Jordan collector. Like, the last thing I think I need in my collection is an actual signature of MJ's to really personally solidify myself as a collector of Jordans. But oof, same deal. This is the left shoe. Look at that. Can only imagine, back in 89 or maybe even 1990. Man, I was like 9-10 years old at the time. And you gotta imagine like having to walk into a sporting goods store, because that's where Jordans used to sell back in the day. Sporting goods stores, mom and pop shops, all the likes. And just seeing this on shelves and being like, man, this is the Air Jordan. This is the shoe that, wasn't a legend then, but obviously he's a legend now, was wearing on court. Yeah. Yeah, the tabs are still really good condition. Look at that. Other than the midsoles, it's not gonna happen. So, but yeah, there's the stars right there. Upper of the shoe, man, so nice. The netting's big too. Straps are in place. Everything looks good, stitching and all. Yeah. Anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. This is the original Air Jordan 4 Fire Red, complete with box. paper hang tag. And check this out. So I try to confirm with Mike out there about this store here called Academy. And apparently Academy still exists out there in Missouri. In fact, he also included some goodies in here, but I'll take a look separately. But included with the deal, here we go. The original receipt to Academy, $109.99. This is your true lost and found. But in the Air Jordan 4, man. Anyways, thank you to Brad at Kick Revive for doing the deal with Mike at 23 for Life Collection. Man, Air Jordan 4, the original Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.